Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jade. If you're new here, a very warm welcome, and if you're one of my lovely subscribers, always come back. Thank you so much for coming back. So today's video is a home bargains haul. Can you believe it? I have not been in home bargains for about 3 months, but I went there today because I wanted to get some bits and bobs, and I came out with things and I thought there's no homeware in this, so I don't know if it's worthy of a haul. But then I realised actually there is. Everything that I've got is for the mum in isolation. So today's video is going to be a mums in isolation home bargains haul. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with, because if you're anything like me, you are feeling mega run down and the kids are climbing up the walls. So I'm going to start with some self-care items that I picked up, and then I've got a handful of cleaning products, and then I've got some items for like kids activities and stuff for them to do, because honestly, isn't it hard? Like, I'm running out of ideas for things to do with the kids. So if you're interested, then do please continue to watch. So first up, I'm going to jump right in there with the essentials, and I mean essentials to get you through this period. Chocolate. Honestly, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna lose weight, I'm gonna be healthy, I'm gonna be really good, I'm gonna use this time to come out looking all hot. I need this daily, because honestly I'm a sucker for comfort eating. These are all $1.79 each, and I think you get a good amount. You get 9 bars in the double decker and the dairy milk, and 16 fingers in this. So $1.79, that is essential for me. So I did notice a new range that wasn't there before when I was last in, and it is the Dead Sea collection. Now they had this in like the bubble bath, soap cream, hand wash, day cream. Literally they had, I think they had like a oil serum that you can like rub over your body. That seemed like that was really nice. I didn't pick it up though, why not? What else did they have? They basically had a whole big collection, and to me I think it actually looks really nice, and I think it looks like it's going to be good, and it smells lovely. So this one is the mineral bubble bath. It's the hemp and coconut lime, and it basically just says it cleanses, refreshes and restores softness to your body, which I need. So you can see here a bit closer. I think the packaging's really nice, and I'm actually going to decorate my bathroom. I feel like this would actually sit nicely in it as well. I'm going to go for kind of like a, not tribally look, but possibly. So this mineral bubble bath is 1,000 mils, and it was only $1.99, so I do think that's a really good price for it. Next in the collection, I picked up a mineral body wash. So it's just got the little pump bottle there, and it just basically looks the exact same as the other bottle. Again, this is 1,000 mils and it was only $1.99 as well. I'll tell you what the ingredients says it does, just in case you're interested. So the hemp and coconut lime extract is known for protecting and soothing while nourishing, rich in vitamins and fatty acid. The magnesium is good for metabolism. The potassium is good for energy flow. The bromide is natural antiseptic and skin smoother. The chloride for good cell mineral balance, and the sodium balances water levels. So hopefully this stuff is really good, and I'm super keen to try it out, because I am honestly, I'm due some self-care nights. I mean, if you see my nails right now, it's not a good look. So next in the collection, I picked up this mineral salt scrub. It's a mint green colour, and the packaging looks pretty much the same as the other bottles. Again, I'm going to assume this smells really nice. It's got a like cover on it, so I can't smell it, but I think this smells really nice because the rest of it does. This was only $1.99 as well, and obviously it's just like an exfoliant scrub for all over the body. Next, I picked up some face wash. So this is the Nivea with rose water face wash. It says that it cleanses thoroughly and purifies skin, so I thought I'd pick this up. This was only $1.99, so I thought it was worth a try. And it smells really nice as well. I'm all about the smells today, if you haven't noticed. And then to go with it, I picked up this new 2-in-1 cleanser and toner, again with rose water. This smells really nice as well, and it was only $1.99. I don't know why I keep telling you about how everything smells. I picked up some bath soak for 99p. This is the Moonlight Skies and White Cashmere. Last one, I promise. It smells really nice. Only 99p. I then picked up some makeup remover cloths. Now, I've been seeing these online, and I'm hoping it's the same thing, but I don't quite know. Is it the ones that you just can like add water to it and it just takes off the makeup really well? This was a pack of 3 for 99p, so I'm going to give them a go, and fingers crossed they are what I think they are. So next for self-care, I picked up something for the feet. I picked up this Skin Smoother handheld foot pumice stone roller. So it just comes with 2 of these rollers, and I guess it's just battery operated. So, you know, instead of like a normal pumice stone, you just use this one. I just felt like this would do a bit more of a thorough job than like the handheld one, because it just does a quick 360 rotation. This was only $4.99, and for the refill packs, I think it was a pack of 2 for $1.49, so that's not bad either. And then to go with that, now I don't have feet that look like this, but I just thought it would help getting a like heel cream. This was only 99p, so I mean my feet look nothing like that, but in case yours does, I think this could be good. weird is that coming out? I think this could be good. Oh, what have I done to my hair? So yeah, I thought I'd try this just to go on like after I've done the roll in. I don't know, just to give my feet some love. And then for the last bit of self-care, I picked up these gold collagen eye masks. These were only 99p. Next year I'm going to be 30 and I feel like I need to start looking after my skin, so I thought these would be good. How many you get 3 pairs in here, and this was only 99p, so I thought that's nice, you know, of an evening just when you're laying down, pop them on. And then to go with that, I picked up a gold collagen face mask as well. This too was 99p, and it just says that it rejuvenates and firms, so of course I thought let me just give it a try. I then saw one of these shaker bottles, and it's the one with the little shaker inside of it. I use these when I have a shake because mine was quite thick, so you need that little silver bit to just like proper whisk it through. This was only $1.99, which I thought was really good because I was actually going to order it from the Holland & Barrett's website for $4.99, so saved myself £3 there. Thought that was really good. Going in with a bit of cleaning now, just whiz through this quickly. I picked up a duster for 99p. I picked this one up because I wanted the boys to start doing a little bit of chores around the house. I then picked up some Harpic toilet tablets. Now I love Harpic on the toilet. I do love to use other toilet products, but this I always find works really well. I mean, when we first moved into where we was now, the toilet was all brown, but Harpic cleared it up completely. I then picked up some pink multi-cleaner purpose because the whole house feels super tacky with all these kids running around it, and I'm just totally not on top of cleaning, so I thought, right, let me just stock up on some cleaning products. This was 99p. Then picked up some Star Drops, just the pine disinfectant smell, because I love this. So next I picked up some flannels for the girls. So I ordered, I'm going to be doing an eBay haul in the next couple of weeks, and I ordered like this towel rack, and it has these hooks coming off of it. So what I'm trying to do now is find us some face cloths with hooks on them so we can just hook it on there, because hate nothing more than flannels over the bath. It drives me mad. So yeah, pick these up for the girls. I want to say they was 99p each, but they could have been less. Before I move into the whole like kids activity section, I just want to show you this quick pet igloo that I picked up. Now I have just got an adorable little puppy. Do you want to see him? I don't think you do, but I'm going to show you anyway. Stay there. Okay, so this is Ralph. Get ready to say oh, if you're a dog lover, that is. Say hello, Ralphie. Hi, puppy boy. Isn't he adorable? Aren't you so cute? He is 12 weeks now. He's actually got a lot bigger since we got him, but he's still really tiny. I picked up Ralph a new bed, just because I thought it was like nice and cozy. So it's actually for the cats, but where he's so small, it works anyway. It's just a Pets Igloo, it's called. They only had it in the black, and it was only $3.99. So moving on to the kids activity section of the video, I picked up these magnets. I thought these were so cool. They were $1.99 each. They had them in blue, but I tend to get the same colour of everything because if not, there's going to be arguments. And they're just like giant magnets. What I thought we were going to do with these is you could use it around the house, obviously just getting them to go around and see what's metal and what's not. But I also thought it'd be really good on like when you go out on daily walks and stuff like that, because they can just go around, like, you know, if it's a gate or I don't know what else is metal outside, but you know what I mean, like they can just go around and see what's metal, what's not. I thought they was fun and educational. $1.99 each. I don't think you can. Now my eldest daughter is really into like anything crafty at the moment, so I picked up this like craft storage box. It was $1.69 and it's got sections in there. I don't know if you can see it, but they're all like little mini square sections. I got that for like all of these bits. I'm getting my hands all tied. So like I picked up all these kind of little eyes. There's 3 packets of different sizes there. There is sequins and buttons. There is numbers. I think these were about 59p, 79p, really cheap little bits, and I'm going to fill the box up with it, and then that way she can just kind of like go to it, keep it all nice and tidy so it doesn't have to go everywhere. You know, like when you open these packets and you've got nowhere to store it. I thought that would be perfect for that. And then she could just do sticking with it. To do the sticking, I picked up these little glue pens. Now you get a pack of 3 and it's the Elmer's brand for 99p, so I thought that was, you know, really good. If you can just see how it comes out there like a pen. So yeah, she's just gonna absolutely love doing any of this, and I find that this is something they can do again and again, like day after day. It's not something they get bored of, so I thought that was really good to do. Another activity I thought would be nice, and I know we have like movie nights all the time, but I thought, you know, make an actual movie night of it, like with some popcorn. Last time in B and M I got this like chocolate fondue set, so I thought like we could use that. I picked up some new pajamas. So these I got for $4.99 frozen ones. I think that's a really good price considering it's frozen. They have all different characters, like for boys, for girls, different sizes, different ages. They've even got the matching like mummy and me ones, so if you're interested in that, that is good. Picked up some pajamas. Picked up some bath bombs each. These were only 59p, and I just thought, you know, we'd have like a little pamper night followed by a movie, so that's another activity to do. I then picked each of the kids, so there's 4 of them here, up a sketchbook because we have loads of books and loads of paper, but I thought we would use this for more like set day-to-day work task bits. So these were only 59p each. I thought with these I could do things like setting them little drawing tasks because my boys are just so into the PlayStation that you give them a book and tell them to draw something and the imagination's not there. So I thought this would be really good to kind of encourage them to draw if I like, you know, give them an object, like, you know, like still real life drawing, stuff like that. I also thought it'd be a good idea to have these because another idea I'm thinking of doing is going on like a nature walk. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a column down the side with colours on it, and then I'm going to give them like rows, and the rows will have like maybe 4 boxes on there. And what I'm going to do is when we go on our nature walks, I'm going to go get them to collect anything they see of that colour. So say it's green, maybe a leaf, stick it on there, like we're going to bring some sellotape. Grass, stick it on there. Say purple, maybe a little bit of a flower petal, stick it on there. You get the idea. So I'm going to use this for like a resourceful sketchbook, not just one to scribbling, which my kids love to do. Another thing they can use a sketchbook for is these letter stamps. Now you get all 26 letters there for £1.99. I thought these would be good because obviously it makes learning letters a little bit more fun. So say you're trying to do like little simple words like it or cat or whatever not. I just thought, you know, sometimes when they're just fed up with trying to write, they could just, you know, find the C, put the C down, find the A, put the A down. And just like another way of basically learning letters, reading, spelling all into one. £1.99, proper bargain. Then picked up some bubble ones. Now you get a pack of 2 for 79p. How cheap is that? My kids absolutely love bubbles. So obviously I picked up 4 of these, and obviously when they finish them, I'm just going to refill them. But bubbles is an activity that you can do literally day in, day out. My kids never get sick of bubbles. I then picked up some whiteboard pens. Now you get 6, I think, in here for 99p. These are obviously good if you've got whiteboards because you can do things like flashcard games and stuff like that. Also, another thing is you get a lot of those like wipeable books that you do your numbers in, your letters in, stuff like that. So they always come with one flimsy pen that breaks super easy. So I picked up a pack of these, that way we can continue to do those lessons. Another thing you can use whiteboard pens for is there is a website called Twinkle. And on that you can like download resourceful papers like for learning and stuff like that. So if you get them, laminate them, you can then use them on this, so it's like reusable. Really handy. Another activity for another day I picked up was this Milky Way Delights. Now you've probably already seen this. This they had in a Galaxy one as well. This is £1.69. What I liked about this is that you can make either mousse, ice cream, milkshake or sauce with it. So I just thought on the day that we make it, we can just decide what they want to make. And that's just another activity to do with them in the kitchen. The more crafty bits I picked up was these mosaic arts. Now I just think these are actually really cool. These were only 59p each. This is a princess castle, and then this is a monsters one. So if you go closer, can you see those little squares on it? And in the packet you've got the picture and it tells you what colour is supposed to go where, and that's the little squares. So it's just like a little sticking game. You pick off the squares and then you stick it where it's supposed to go. That's the princess one there. And I just thought this would keep them occupied for so long, and I just think it's really fun. 59p. So that's another activity there. They have loads of these little boxes in there as well with different ones. So they've got like sock puppets, they have got dinosaurs that you can make. I picked up the spoon animal puppet kit because I just thought that was good. 99p. You cannot go wrong for 99p. So it just has everything in there. So you've got all the items you need, the glue, everything in there, the spoons to make these little characters. So again, that is going to give them like so much fun, and then afterwards they can then play with the puppets, do a little puppet show. I thought that was really good. Next I picked this up for the boys. It is a rounders set. So you've got a foam bat, foam ball, and then you've got some orange cones to go out on the grass. I just thought this would be really good to take to the green area with us. I like that it's really light, so if I want to put it in a bag, it's not going to like weigh down the bag or anything. I also like that it's foam, so then if like their younger sisters play with it, they're not going to get injured. And I just thought this was really good for £3.99. It gives them another activity again that they can do on different days. So that's what I picked up for the boys. To finish the haul off, I've got some activity books. I won't spend too long on each one telling you what they are. I will just go through this one because I really like this one. This, I think, is so good. This was £1.99 and it's called Spring Make and Do Activities book. It's got over 80 different activities that you can do. So like this one shows you how to make finger puppets. This one shows you how to make like what to do with mixing paints. This one is a pencil topper, crinkly caterpillar. I think there was like a bird feeder in there. Literally just so many different things that you can make and do. So I thought that was really good for £1.99. You know, the days where you just don't know what to do, grab your book and get an idea. I then picked up a super simple dot to dot book. Now I thought this was, I've never seen one like this. Normally when I find dot to dot books, they go up to like such high numbers. This one is almost like my first dot to dot books. It only goes up to number 20, so it's really good for like, you know, the preschool age, that they don't know any numbers, you know, written higher than 20. And it's got just super simple pictures in there, like a sheep to finish off, or like a chicken, fish, just really simple pictures to finish, and it only goes up to number 20, so I thought that was really good. This was 89p. Another book that I really loved was this princess dress up book. Now I think they did have like different versions of this. I just picked up the princess one. This was £1.99. In the top comes with some magnets that are actually in the shapes of dresses and dress up items, and then inside the book is just like little princess dolls that you can just put the clothes on. I just thought this was superb because you can use it again and again and again. So yeah, I think the girls will really love this. I then picked up a spellings book. This has actually got a pull-out poster in it, which is there, and then it's just got your basic phonic words, stuff like that, 99p. And then for the boys, I picked up a it's not crosswords, I picked up a word search book each. These were 89p, and again, they're not too hard, but they're hard enough to keep them occupied for a little while I can sit and, you know, do some Instagram scrolling. But no, so that is everything I got in this haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, I love to go home bargains and get like homeware and stuff, but there wasn't really any of that in there. And to be honest, like, I don't really need to do up the home at the moment. I need to clean the home, I need to survive every day, and I need the kids to stop climbing up the wall. So I think that this has got us mums covered for isolation. So I hope you found some bits in there that you like. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy the video, do please give it a big thumbs up. Really appreciate it. Do drop me a comment in the box below. Let me know what you thought. Let me know how you're getting on in isolation, and let me know if you've got any activity ideas that I can do with the kids, because I need all the ideas I can get. If you haven't already, do please hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you stick around. And until the next video, which I probably think is going to be an eBay haul, it's actually probably going to be a balloon video before that, because I'm going to mix in some balloon videos with this as well. But until that video, please do take care, guys, and stay sane. Do some self-care, eat some chocolate, and we'll worry about the diet on the other side of isolation. So until next time, guys, thank you, take care, bye.